Salam! Welcome to episode 3 of Engineering Drawing Basics. You've learned how to sketch views. Now it's time to add meaning to those lines. In this episode, we're mastering dimensioning, how to size parts correctly so manufacturers can bring them to life. Dimensioning is the process of adding measurements to your drawings, like length, diameter, angles, and hole placements, to define the size and geometry of an object. Without dimensions, your drawing is just a guess. Oh, and here's a pro tip. Every size you want made must be written, no assumptions allowed. There are several types of dimensions you'll use, often linear dimensions. Show length, width, or height in millimeters or inches. Angular dimensions, for angles between lines or surfaces. Radial dimensions, for arcs and radii. Diameter dimensions, for full circles or holes. Chain and baseline dimensions. Control how measurements are built up. And don't forget, use consistent units millimeters for ISO, inches for ANSI. So, dimensioning follows strict rules to ensure clarity. Place dimensions outside the object when possible. Use arrowheads and extension lines clearly. Don't duplicate dimensions. Each size appears only once. Always align dimensions with the feature, whether that's horizontal, vertical, or aligned. And you should avoid crossing lines or placing dimensions inside crowded areas. Oh, and remember, use thin lines for dimensions, keep spacing consistent, and definitely avoid clutter. Alright, let's apply what we've learned. Here's a simple part. We start with the overall length, then add holes and radius dimensions, followed by height and depth. Notice how each dimension is spaced and labeled clearly. Fun fact, engineering drawings with bad dimensioning are actually one of the top reasons for manufacturing errors. Well done! Dimensioning is honestly one of the most critical skills in engineering drawing. Up next, we'll bring drawings to life with section views, to reveal what's inside complex objects. And hey, like, share, and comment with your practice sketch.